Let us look into how to replace the staple units for both portrait, landscape, and booklet stapling. For portrait and landscape stapling, first open the staple finisher door. Note, if the staple unit is not to be seen at the front, you can look inside and pull the carriage towards yourself into its place. You can then pull the staple unit out. Remove the empty staple cartridge out from the staple housing. Then insert the new staple cartridge back to its housing. Then slide the staple unit back into the carriage. Next is to replace the booklet staples. Slide out the booklet maker staple unit. Here you can see there are 2 staple cartridges for booklet staple. Push the cartridge down with your thumb and then lift it out. Same steps to remove and insert new staple cartridge to the housing unit. Insert the staple cartridge into the booklet maker staple unit. Repeat for both cartridges. Push the booklet maker staple unit back in and close the finisher door.